SV Math Teach back again, this time dealing with volumes of cones. Now I start this video with a picture of a cylinder on the left and a cone on the right because cones and cylinders share practically all commonalities. Look at this formula. It's exactly the same formula. The only difference is a cone has this 1/3 in front of it. That simply means a cone is 1/3 of a cylinder. It just holds 1/3 of the stuff if its radius and height are exactly the same. And you'll see that in the formula, it's 1/3 pi r squared h. Right? Fine, piece of cake. So let's go ahead and do one. There's not really much to these things. So we're just going to use the formula. It says find the volume of the cone to get an exact and approximate volume. So volume is 1/3 times pi r squared h. 6 is the radius. 10 is the height, right? The height of the shape is this. And let's put them in. So volume is 1/3 times pi times 6 squared times 10. Now, because these are all numbers, I'm going to go ahead and multiply, I'm going to multiply my numbers together. So let's multiply 1/3 times 36 times 10. And that will give us the exact answer because I haven't used pi yet, right? I haven't used 3.14. So on the right-hand side here, I have a calculator. This is how I would type it in if I don't have a fraction bar. I do open parentheses 1 divided by 3. That'll be the 1/3 part. And then do times 36 and times 10. Piece of cake. And I get 120. So my answer for the exact is 120. Remember, I haven't used the pi yet. So pi, and I'm in centimeters. So centimeters. And I'm dealing with volume. So cubed. So the exact volume of this cone is of this cone, 120 pi centimeters cubed. So with 120 pi being the exact, if I want to get the approximate, I do 120 times 3.14. And on my calculator, since I already have 120 up there, I can just do times 3.14. It saves me typing. And I get 376.8 centimeters cubed, and I'm done. If you need to work backwards, if the problem gives you the volume and you have to find the radius or the height, it's the exact same technique as using the cylinder. You just have a 1/3 in there. So I'd recommend instead of watching the longer video here, go back and watch the cylinder video and then just replicate that using the formula for the cone instead of the cylinder. Good luck.